our thoughts can help to manifest a specific people, specific person, and our thoughts can push them away. How? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rafat. I am a scientist and I'm certified life and success coach. And in today's video, I am going to talk about law of thoughts transmission, law of assumption, and everyone is you pushed out. So we will discuss the mechanics of it, how these concepts work, and how these concepts help us to manifest specific people in our life, specific person in our life. So before we dive into our video, please make sure you subscribe this channel, and in the month of October I am giving the free giveaway of coaching session with me. 3 people I will choose from the comment section below. So all you have to do is subscribe my channel, press like, and add comment in the comment section below. So I will choose 3 people at the end of the month of October. And let's dive into our video today. So I will start from the book of Neville Goddard, and this is a chapter 5, and section is Art of Believing, and this chapter number 5 is law of thought transmission. And law of thought transmission is the same thing as everyone is you pushed out. So this is a paragraph, and Neville is saying here, your consciousness is the light reflected on the mirror of your mind and projected in the space to the one of whom you think. By mentally speaking to the subjective image in your mind, you cause the mirror of your mind vibrate. So we will dissect this paragraph first. In this here, like in this paragraph, Neville is talking about the consciousness, and we all know now, up to now, that we have like a 60,000 thoughts in a day. And especially when we think about someone special, someone a specific person. For example, we can take in our in this chapter. So we think about someone, then thought about them or assumption about them, they vibrate in our mind. The mirror of our mind vibrate, like we make certain image of that person in our mind. For example, if you send text to someone and they do not reply you back, so there are many assumptions you can make about that person. There is a choice that you can just keep doing your work, and you just believe, and you know he or she will be come back to me. Or you can assume this person is not interested in me, or he don't want to have a relationship, or he must be could be with someone else, or you can assume anything you want. So when you assume about someone, then you make an image of that person in your mind, and basically your mind is vibrating with that image. And this is a law of assumption activated. And now you projected this thought out from your mind mirror, which you have make an image of the person. For example, you thought this person is not interested, or you thought this person do not want a relationship, or any assumption you have made. This is assumption, and you have projected it out. And next we will read what he's saying. So now your vibrating mind modifies the light of consciousness reflected on it, and then these thoughts, they will go out and make a mirror on his mind, and it causes his mind to vibrate according to the modification it undergoes. So the thoughts you projected out, it goes in the person's mind, and his mind vibrate according to that thought, that whatever you was assuming about that person. So thus it reproduces in him what was mentally affirmed by you. So it reproduces in him or her whatever the assumption you put out in the universe. It creates the same mental image in the person's mind. For example, you thought about him, he is not interested and he don't want a relationship, or he possibly he is into someone else. So any of these assumptions, they created the same thought in his mind, reproduces the same image. So what Neville is saying here, to change a man, you must change your conception of him, and you must first believe him to be the man you want him to be, and mentally talk to him as though he were. Like you have to, if you want something better out of the relationship, and if you want to get your SP back in your life, then you have to create the better image for him. So you have to be really strictly on a mental diet if you want to manifest a specific person back into your life. All the assumptions you have created about them, you have to flip them around and change into the reality you want. And I always teach my client, focus on the solution, focus on a solution, not focus on the problem. So when we focus on a solution, then we project the better thoughts to the person. For example, in this case, what is a solution? Solution is that certain so and so, he or she want a relationship with me, he and she want a committed relationship. He must be for example, is a text, he must be busy in a meeting, or might be any relatives come up, or his possibly phone broke down, or anything. You can assume anything better, but instead of any damaging thought. And same in the relationship. If you are in a relationship and if your man or your lady, he or she is late from work, so whatever the assumption you are making about them, they are going out and they vibrating their mind with that thought, and you are creating your reality. So that is very important when you want to manifest anything in your life, including specific person, about even financially, your abundance or money matters, or the children issues. You really have to check your thoughts, because we have 60,000 thoughts in a day, and you have to be really like consciously controlling your thoughts, what you are thinking, thoughts about the specific area. For example, come back to the topic, specific person's topic. If you want to manifest your specific person back, first of all, you have to have a really good self-concept. And for example, now you wake up in the morning, instead of thinking any negative thoughts or all the worries and stresses about the work, first of all, think about the positive things in your life. And while you are doing makeup, while you're getting ready, then think about yourself and how lovely you are, how lovable you are, and why you are deserving for the relationship. Tell yourself, while you are doing makeup, while you're doing your hair, keep telling yourself, I am lovable, I am good enough for the relationship, I am good enough for this person, and I love that person, and this person love me back. And I am good enough for the relationship. Why? Keep telling yourself, I am good enough for this relationship, I am lovable, I am love, I am like a source of love, and I am a person who deserve and worthy of having a loving and fantastic relationship. Keep telling these things to you, instead of thinking about your SP. He didn't get back to me, he is on the social media, he is on the Facebook, he is on the Twitter, but he didn't text me. Do not do that. If you want to manifest your specific person, you have to be strictly on your mental diet and really understand how our thoughts work and how this law of thoughts transmission works and how it can help us to manifest anything in our life. And the other day I had a little example I'm going to give you. One of my clients, she told me that she always had a complaint, my man, he do not make anything when I go back home. He is working nowadays from home, and she goes out for work, and she had a thought. So I told her that if she change her thought that the way you want it, then he will do it. You need to change and realistically be on the mental diet. So she did it. While she was going home, she was thinking, oh, that will be really lovely if my man, she take a name of her man, I'm not going to taking her man's name here, and he will be making a tea for me as I go home. So next day she was telling me that when she go home, his her man, sorry, he offered her, oh, would you like to have a cup of tea, and let me make a cup of tea for her. And she was very happy. So that's how our thoughts work. So, and you have to be patient and you have to be consistent. If it didn't happen once, it doesn't mean, oh, it didn't happen, it didn't work. Keep continue. Practice, 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 and affirm, affirm, affirm. And love yourself and keep affirming. And I hope this law of thoughts transmission will give you a little idea and clearing that how our thought works in order to manifest a specific person. And I would love to hear your comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.